If you want to join a community on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find a community, open it, and join it in just a few moments. Whether you're looking to connect with people who share your interests, network with creators, or just discover conversations that matter to you, communities on X are a great place to start. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your X account. You can do this from the X app on your phone or by visiting x.com in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your main timeline or home page. Now look at the left sidebar. You should see a section with several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and more. Find the More option and click it. This opens up additional menu items. From the expanded menu, select Communities. This is where X lists different groups based on topics, interests, and discussions. If you don't see communities right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that the feature is available in your region or app version. Once you're inside the Communities area, use the search bar to find a community you're interested in. You can search by topic, keyword, or community name. For example, you might search for business, gaming, tech, fitness, or any niche that matches your interests. As you browse the results, look for the community name and the small two-people community icon next to it. That icon helps identify the official community listing. Click on the community you want to join to open it. Now you'll be taken to the community page. Here, you can usually see the community description, rules, and some recent posts. Take a quick moment to read through the instructions so you know what kind of content is allowed and whether there are any requirements before joining. When you're ready, click Join. In some communities, joining is immediate. In others, you may be prompted to agree to rules or answer a few questions first. If that happens, read everything carefully and confirm if prompted. If the community requires approval, the process is slightly different. You'll still click Join, but instead of entering right away, you may need to submit a request. After that, your request will be sent to a moderator or admin for review. In that case, all you need to do is wait for approval before you can participate. Once you've joined, the community will appear in your communities list, and you can start browsing posts, replying, and engaging with other members. That's a great way to stay active and make the most of the space. And that's it. You've now learned how to join a community on X step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more X and social media tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.